Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Since nowadays AI is being involved in every aspects of our day-to-day life, today let's get to know about top 5 books on AI. So let's start. Machine Learning for Dummies by John Paul Mueller and Luca Massaran. A book that covers all the topics about machine learning starting from the basics. So, it is a good book for learners and starters. The 100-Page Machine Learning by Andrei Barkov. Another very good book for newcomers in the field of computer science and artificial learning. It covers all the approaches of machine learning along with the mathematical parts of the algorithms. Artificial Intelligence: The Basics by Kevin Warwick. This book gives a brief introduction on the different angles of AI and the various ways it is implemented. It is good for everyone whoever is interested in learning and knowing these concepts. Artificial Intelligence: The Modern Approach by Stuart Russell and Peter Norvig. A very good book for the beginners of this field that covers and explains all the concepts in a very easy and understandable manner. Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning by Vinod Chandra. A good book for the UG and PG students of CS as well as beginners of this field to understand several topics with ease with help of examples and algorithms. Hope you liked our video and found it useful. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. We'll meet in our next video. Till then, happy reading and see you soon.